Okay, y'all, so I'm about to install this wig that I got. See, I'm looking crazy without my bonnet on. Outre unit. Synthetic, of course. Look at her. I got the Outre Perfect Hairline style Laurel. Hold up, I got my hand right there. And I got it in the color DR4 Creamy Mocha. Right now I'm finna customize it how I do my plucking and stuff, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like, you know, on my mannequin head. It says it is pre-plucked, but you know, I'm gonna do a little something. That's how much, that's what it looks like now. But I did cut it because that was just too long for me for a synthetic unit. I did my ball cap. It ain't the best, but I look bald. That's all that matters. Bow hole lace jelly. This is what I use to glue it down, but I like it though. I use it for my edges, and the thing I like about using it on my edges is that, like, I can put it on my edges, you know, lay my edges down, and then, you know, use my my elastic band, and it will be laid down all day long, not lifting nothing. And then the next day, you know how if you use like edge control, it'd be like flaky or it'd be hard or whatever, and it's hard to like do it again the next day to make it look fresh. It's not like that with it. It's like it's still, it'll turn back fluffy. Like, I can't even explain it, but I love it. I love using it on my edges on my real hair and my edges on my wigs, because it just gives. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. This is the unit when it's all done and installed. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. The color is just giving what it's supposed to give. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about my videos, and I'll see you next time.